In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and fix all DirectX errors. First thing we want to do is go to CMD, run as administrator, and then type DISM /online, clean up image, restore health, and then press enter. Next, type sfc/scan now, and then wait for this to load and finish loading and fixing any errors or missing DLL folders, and then you can close it down and check if it fixes the issue. If it doesn't, then go to Google, then type DirectX end user runtime, go to this website and download the web installer. Click download and run the installer normally. Just normally run it, click next, and after it's finished installing, you want to restart your computer, and that's it.